Don't lose a good man. Because of these 5 mistakes. Number 1. Don't lose a good man. Because you think you are beautiful and can replace him easily. Yes, you're beautiful. Yes, men want you. But beauty alone doesn't keep a home, and attention is not the same as affection. 100 men can want your body, but very few will fight to keep your heart. Many women let good men go thinking, I can get someone better, only to realize that what they had was not just rare, but real. A good man may not flood your DMs or flash luxury around, but he will give you peace of mind, loyalty, and stability. If your beauty becomes the reason you feel entitled to mistreat him, disrespect him, or keep a backup plan, you'll end up with men who chase you for your looks, not your soul. Don't trade loyalty for lust. Don't mistake your options for opportunities. Number 2, don't lose a good man. Because he couldn't foot your bills at the moment. Everyone wants financial security, but don't turn love into a transaction. A man's temporary financial struggle doesn't mean he's incapable. A broke phase is not a broken man. Some of the most responsible, visionary, and ambitious men go through financial deserts before arriving at their promised land. If you leave him because of his wallet today, you may watch another woman reap the fruits of your impatience tomorrow. Number 3. Don't lose a good man. Because a richer guy showed up. We live in an age of social comparison, where a flashier car, a fatter wallet, and a luxury lifestyle can make a woman question the man she loves. But not every rich man is ready to build a future with you. Some are just looking for the next beautiful distraction. And by the time you realize that, the good man who would have given you everything, slowly but surely, is gone. Don't confuse investment with interest. The richer guy may take you on trips, buy you things, and shower you with gifts, but does he see a future with you? Is he emotionally stable? Is he faithful? Is he rooted in values? Wealth without character is a trap. Don't be the woman who leaves gold to chase glitter. Number 4, don't lose a good man. Because he's busy at work and not giving you all the time and attention you want. A good man working hard for his future isn't ignoring you. He's building for both of you. Love isn't always cuddles and constant messages. Sometimes it's late nights, missed calls, and tired evenings. Not because he doesn't care, but because he's trying to make sure you never lack. A man with vision will not always be available, but his absence is not rejection, it's responsibility. The same way you want a stable future is the same reason he's grinding. Don't guilt trip him for having ambition. Don't nag him into exhaustion. Support his hustle. Be his peace, not his pressure. When he finally reaches the top, he'll remember the woman who stood by him, not the one who left because he couldn't text good morning every single day. Number 5. Don't lose a good man. Because of a little misunderstanding. No relationship is without fights. No love is without conflict. But if you keep walking away or creating drama over every disagreement, you will destroy something beautiful. A good man may be strong, but even strong hearts get tired of repeated hurt. Learn to talk things out, not walk out. A good man doesn't need you to be perfect. He just needs you to be patient, mature, and willing to grow with him. If he's willing to talk, don't shut him out. If he apologizes, don't weaponize his vulnerability. A good relationship is not about avoiding fights. It's about fighting fair, learning from it, and moving forward with deeper understanding. Misunderstandings are part of the process, but what you do after them determines the future of your relationship. Don't ruin years of love over moments of ego. Most times, good men aren't loud, flashy, or all over social media. Most times, they are quietly doing the right thing, loving the right way, and planning for the right future. But in a world that celebrates noise over depth, they often get overlooked or taken for granted. Don't be the woman who wakes up one day to realize that she lost a good man over temporary feelings or shallow decisions. Don't be the woman who remembers too late that peace, Loyalty, effort, and respect were more important than money, attention, or physical attraction. If you have a good man, flawed but faithful, hold him close, appreciate him, build with him, love him loud, support him silently, and grow together. Because trust me, good men are not everywhere, and once they're gone, they rarely come back. If you are not following me, you may not see me again. Like and follow this page for more amazing contents like this.